You stay in your room. Gussie, you stay in your room. I don't know where you think you're going.
And I do it. And I do it.
Go check.
Okay. I want it.
Gussie, where are you going? Gussie. Gussie!
Hey, Mommy.
What? What's that noise?
I don't know.
What is that noise?
I don't know.
What's Gussie doing? Why is he going in the bathroom?
Go potty.
He has to go potty?
Yeah?
Oh, man. Gussie. Sam, look at him. Come here. Come here, Mapes. Oh!